Hemapriya. On behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I welcome you all. In this video, I'm going to learn about New Age Experiential Innovative Ideas, which was compiled by ZIIEI Investment Innovation for Education Initiative, that is ZIIEI. So in this video, I'm going to share you a zero investment idea, which was brought up from the state Dadra, Nagar, Haveli. There was an innovative teacher who compiled an innovative case study called Small Children's Parliament. So when I talk about the Small Children's Parliament, I think there are a lot of things to learn from this from the Parliament. And not only that, right from that an innovative case study, there will be a small idea which would coming from that thing is called a board from the Google. So a board from the Google means, see, there are a lot of questions which right now we'll be curious to know many questions. So when we are curious to know many questions in the school days, we are most probably the students will be really getting hesitated, or they will be shy, or the students would be feel there are a lot of introvert students also would be there, so they don't take up the chance to ask the question because they really feel shy, or their attitude is like introvert, so they don't take up the initiation. So for all those children, for all the students, a teacher would be making an activity, which means a board. Okay, teacher would be creating a board which is like a blackboard in the schools. So in the blackboard, whenever a student is curious to know anything, for example, why do the traffic signal light is like 3 types: green, red, orange. Okay, so what is the use of keeping the traffic signal over there in the place? So there are a lot of questions which will come. And if an eagle runs, how do these eagle would what food an eagle would eat? Okay, so then when we go when a student sees a fish tank, why the fish is not closing their eyes? We blink more times every day. A human blinks their eyes more times, but why do the fish won't blink their eye? What is the reason? So there are a lot of, it will be very logical and very practical. The questions would be there. So all those questions they'll be keeping inside. So a teacher would tell all the students to write your questions left side in a blackboard. So every day, if you find 4 to 5 questions, if you have in your mind to know about the answer, all questions would be listed on the left side. The answers would be written on the right side. So whoever knows the answer for this question, so straight to that they need to answer it. So this is the activity given for all the students. So when they do this, they improve their thinking skills. Not only that, they'll learn many things. When the other student gives 5 questions, the other students also will get motivated to give a competition of another 6 questions. So when a student doesn't know the answer, when all the students doesn't know to match the answer, then the teacher would be helping them to, this is what the answer for this. This is why this orange or green or yellow lights are here. So all these explanations would be given by a teacher. If a student is not doing the capability purpose, then the teacher would be doing it. So this is how it is like a Google thing. So right now, if we want any information, we'll Google it. So in a school, this is how a Google board would be taking out, and that this activity really helps for everyone to get engaged. So you can also implement these small innovative ideas in your schools. If you wanted to know more about our innovative ideas, you can subscribe to our channel called ZIIEI. If you're watching this video on the Facebook, make sure you like our page. Thank you so much for watching.